Well, in this video, we are going to talk about Chinese radicals, which are building blocks of Chinese characters. So let me explain what does that mean real quick. If you want to say mom in Chinese, this is how we write that character, ma, and it has very important radical, which is this radical, 女, this means female. So every time you see this radical, you can guess the meaning. Oh, this must be something related to female. So what are radicals? They are the basic parts that make up Chinese characters. There are many radicals, but you only need some to get started. Why do we need them? Well, to understand the character meaning. I just told you this means something related to female. It also helps you guessing the unfamiliar characters. It is also useful for looking up characters in dictionaries, and this is mostly used by old Chinese people who do not want to use A, B, C, D, and this is how they look up characters. They first draw those characters using their finger on a screen, and they get all the results related to this word here. And this is how they select words, save up time writing whole character. And it makes it easier to learn and remember new words as well. Here are some common radicals and their meanings. The first one is related to mouth. So whenever you see this radical, it is something related to mouth. In this example, we have the radical at left, and this means 吃, to eat. So you use mouth to eat. The second radical right here is related to woman, and we already gave this example, ma. The next radical here is related to wood. I want to say forest, 森林. So here is the radical with 3 dots, and this is related to water, just like in river. Here is the radical 1, 2, 3. So the next radical is related to person. It is right here. 你 means you. Another very important radical is related to fire, and this is sometimes written as 4 dots at the bottom, so which is here. 热 means hot, something related to fire. Talking about the position of radicals, they can appear at the left side. For example, in this character, I just told you this is related to a person, and if you add the right side, this means 你, you. Radicals can appear on top. For example, here, this is related to grass, and if you add the bottom part, this whole character means grass. Radicals can appear on the bottom. For example, in this character, this is the top part, and on the bottom part we have this character, this radical. This means 心, and this is something related to heart. So this character is 想, means miss. So you somehow use your heart to miss somebody. Finally, they can appear at the surrounding. For example, so in the middle we have this character, but on the surrounding we have something like the 口, something like mouth. So they can also appear around the character. So this is also a radical. The position helps you to identify the radicals quickly. For example, this means something related to person. This means something related to grass. This is related to heart. And this is related to mouth. Well, in this character, the radical is 口, mouth. It is right here on the left side. In the second character, the radical is 女, which means female, and it is right here. So this word means 妹, means sister, something related to female. The water radical is right here. 河, which means river. This character means river. This radical is right here on the bottom, and this word means to miss, which is something related to heart.